Assalamualaikum. Hi there. Do you know that engineer is very important in the community? They develop an efficient system that speed up and facilitate work with limited resources by applying technology. On the other hand, ethics are the rules that society accept and are also equivalent to personal moral standards. So, an ethical engineer can give a better contribution to the community. Whether he or she works alone or for a corporation, an engineer also need to address some ethical problems related to their field. Nowadays, there are a lot of scandals involving unethical and criminal behaviors occur every day in professional groups, including engineers. This might happen as ethical aspect is not emphasized in education from various levels, which then led to the ignorance. We can see many unethical actions happen and has been a common practice among professional groups. So, let we discover some of the engineer function to have better understanding on how they contribute to society. First of all, as a manager, they are responsible for important project planning and execution. Not just allowing the project to run, but they also be responsible in handling engineering issues, including ethical misconduct. Managers' function is to develop plan for future engineering projects, assessing technical documents, supervise engineering workers, and manage schedules, budget, and staffing. Engineering in management is very important so that the team will be able to work together. Engineering plan can be executed properly, addressing technical risks and fulfill standard and specification. Let me take an example. An engineer manager led a team of 12 engineers in complicated technological project. In order to deliver operational system on time, this entails thorough project logistic management by training the team in engineering standards. This engineer manager prefer to reduce team meetings and help to solve obstacles that prevents engineer from completing their responsibilities and seek for ways to help them develop in their careers. On the other hand, a consultant engineer can be recruited by public or private companies and act as an expert to help with the project completion. A person who wishes to work in this career must be capable of doing analysis and planning on a component or system in order to achieve the necessary functions. They will act as an advisor after evaluating the variables that contribute to such things as well as the consequences that occur. Among the function of engineer consultant is to deliver accurate and effective engineering advice on a variety of projects. Next, they will monitor project progress, providing precise information to other auditors, which is used to ensure that operations are carried out as required. Their work will improve project to be more efficient, save resources, and increasing profitability by employing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. This role is very important because some companies need their service to make project more efficient, cost-saving, and make the progress more effective. Consultant also will help company staff to avoid mistakes which they tend to make. They also must obey code of ethics for engineers to ensure the unethical manner can be avoided. Last but not least, engineer also can be an entrepreneur. This can be their chance to improve various industries such as communication, health, defense, infrastructure, and etc. Here, they are responsible in bringing latest technologies to be applied to the public. They also must be able to collaborate effectively as leaders in teams. As an entrepreneur, they can help to develop and guide entrepreneurship education, This will contribute to entrepreneurial ability of the public. They can provide integrated tools that link the entrepreneurship principles and benefits community. They are very important to provide solid expertise in product design, establish businesses, especially in startup stages. For them, technopreneur is better named as they are expert in engineering disciplines. We can see nowadays that one of the famous technopreneur is Elon Musk, where he develops various technology that benefits people and environment, such as electrical powered vehicle, green technology, and also space exploration. Before finish, we want to emphasize that engineer can be very beneficial to community, but they has to remember to keep ethics as the main priority. Engineer must prioritize public safety, health, and welfare in the performance of their professional tasks. They are only allowed to provide services in the areas where they are qualified. Engineer also must serve as faithful agent for others in professional concerns and avoiding conflict of interest. Lastly, they must uphold honor, integrity, and dignity with zero tolerance for bribery, fraud, and consumption. Thank you.